go. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. Looking if you get a move on. Like you how, and I know. Then it's a go.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I am Blendedbydee and I am back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a hair review for LUVME Hair. You guys know I absolutely love LUVME Hair. It is probably the best wig company out, period. Their wigs are super bomb, super beginner friendly. The lace is always tea. So yes, I'm super excited about this package. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them down below and I'll be sure to answer them. And yeah, let's jump into the package that it came in. Okay, yeah, so this is what the hair is looking like while in the package. This is so pretty. Look at the curls on that. So this is what the lace is looking like straight out of the package. This is the lace on the inside of the wig. Okay, it comes with 2 combs on the side here and 1 comb in the back. It also has a drawstring because it is a 360 wig in the back, so it has the drawstring to tighten it. It also came with a complimentary wig band that you can add to the back. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what it looks like straight out of the packaging put on. And I did went ahead and attach the band to it. I'm going to throw it on there. Throw that over like that. Okay. Just like that. Hey, look at that. The lace on this is everything. So the lace already came pre-plucked, pre-bleached. It looks really good. This is what it looks like straight out of the packaging right onto my head. So I am going to go ahead and add my Gots to Be spray and a little, like maybe a layer to a glue to go ahead and glue it down. And then, yeah, we're going to get into the styling. Okay, y'all, so again, this part is completely optional. Just because you can wear this wig glueless, it is pretty secure without the glue. I just want to glue it just because I want to wear it for a couple of days. And I don't want to be taking it on and off. But you definitely don't need the glue. You can actually even just use Got to Be spray and just spray the lace and you should be fine. But I wanted to go ahead because I knew I have plans tonight. And I don't want it to necessarily, I don't want to take it off anytime soon, actually. So I'm going to add just about 2 layers of glue. Not 3 or 4, just a little 2 layers. Okay, chat. So after your 2 or 3 layers dry, you're going to go ahead and pull that wig forward. You want to pull the wig just about like a smidge in front of the glue. That way you can cut off that excess lace, y'all. So that is the trick. Do not put your front of the lace right onto the front of the glue. Pull it just a little bit in front. That way you have some stuff to cut, pluck, and yeah. Then you're just going to want to take something flat. You can use an edge brush. You can use a comb. You can use a razor. I ended up using my razor because my edge brush definitely had like some gel or glue on it. I did not want to mess up the lace. So you want to use something dry and clean, y'all. So I'm taking just the bottom or the end of my razor. And I'm using that to push the lace into the glue. And you just want to make sure you really just like melt that lace into the glue. Once you got the wig placed where you would like it, you would just go ahead and take your blow dryer and you want to put this on the heat setting, okay? Not the cool, the heat, the hottest setting that you have on your blow dryer, and use that to melt the wig into the glue. And you're going to want to do that to both sides. So that's what I'm doing here, y'all. I just kind of sped up the video so it won't be super long. But again, you just kind of want to melt that lace into the glue. And you want to use the hottest setting on your blow dryer, okay? Warm heat, not cool, okay? And then once you got that completely dry, and I mean like completely dry, no stickiness, no tackiness, you're going to want to do your melt band, okay? This is the step that you do the melt band. So after your melt band, you're going to want to take a wax stick, y'all. And I got this wax stick from my local beauty supply store, y'all. I don't know what the name of it is, but it works really well. Just make sure you have a wax stick, not a pomade, okay? Apply it to the top or wherever you want to lay your part. Take you a hot comb, put your hot comb on the highest heat setting possible, and be careful. And then you're just going to want to hot comb the top. Remember, the top or the back of the comb needs to touch the top of your head or wherever you're laying the part at, okay? That is the trick to get it flat. After about 10-15 minutes, I went ahead and removed that wig band. And now it's time for me to go ahead and get my part together, y'all, because it was definitely not in the middle, okay? So I went ahead and customized my part and made sure that it was down in the middle. And again, I'm not going to do any baby hairs in this unit. So I just want to make sure that my part is real crispy and that my top is laid really flat. So that's what you'll see me doing here. So again, I'm just going back over the top with my hot comb to ensure that it is very flat before we get to styling. Because again, y'all, with middle parts, I just feel like it has to be super flat for it to be tea, okay? Okay, now that it's hot combed, I'm just going to tweeze the front just a little. Again, the wig is already pre-plucked, but I like just on my curly wig specifically, especially if I'm not doing no baby hairs, just to go in and pluck just a few more hairs. This step is optional. You don't have to do it. I just think it helps create a more realistic hairline, like I said, especially because I'm not doing any baby hairs on this unit. So, see what I'm saying? That looks better. Okay, so now it's time for me to style the hair. So this is the side that's dry, and I'm gonna wet this side here. I'm just gonna take my spray bottle, and the spray bottle has water and conditioner in it. I'm just gonna spray that on the hair. Y'all, this hair feels so amazing, soft, like, oh my god. Put a little mousse in my hand. A little mousse. This is how the wet side is looking, how the hair looks while it's wet. And this is the dry side, y'all. First of all, this hair is absolutely beautiful. It's super full and it's very lightweight too. And the curls are popping, okay? Let's do the other side. I'm just gonna add a little concealer to my part here. Just like that. Boom. And y'all, that is how this hair looks while it's wet, and it's super cute, super full, nice and lightweight. And OMG. Okay, y'all, so I just wanted to show y'all what the hair was looking like with the parting, the curls, how to style it, y'all. So I did a quick little half up, half down style, and I thought it was the cutest thing ever, okay? I just want to say the lace is so tea on this unit, y'all. Like, please run and go purchase it. Like, get into the freaking lace, okay? Look at that. And the hair and curls are absolutely gorgeous. So this is what the half up, half down looks like. And then again, y'all, this is a 360 wig. So I just wanted to show you what it looks like being pulled up. So you can pull this wig up. It's very seamless in the back. And LUVME Hair definitely did that, okay? Look at the seamless blend of the back, okay? 13x4 lace wig. Already comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached. And you can wear it glueless. You can glue it if you would like. It has a drawstring in the back for the 360. It also comes and includes a wig band for the inside of it. You guys, I am in love with this hair. LUVME Hair, I'm going to tell you, LUVME Hair never misses, okay? Never misses. LUVME Hair is actually probably the best hair on the market, not going to lie. Their wigs are always perfectly constructed. The knots always look amazing. I did not have to bleach this wig at all I did, y'all, was a little bit of plucking, added a little Got to Be glue on there, literally hot comb the top to make it flat, and that is literally it. Very easy, beginner friendly. You can do this at home. You don't need to be a hairstylist or know too much about wigs. That's what I love about LUVME Hair. Their wigs, they make it simple and beginner friendly for people who, you know, if you're not all the way into the wig scene or don't know how to do it and you're just kind of nervous, LUVME Hair is the way to go. Okay, their wigs are already pre-set for you. Okay, pre-styled and preset for you. So run into LUVME Hair. Make sure you purchase this wig. Make sure you use my discount code below and tell them that Blended by Dee sent you.